Hi everyone, my name is Danelle. I'm going to be doing a presentation on the app called OneNote. OneNote is a Microsoft app and it can be used on Mac. OneNote is an app for note taking. You can use it to keep all your notes, all your research, information, plans all in one spot in an organized way. The app is a Microsoft app, so it does have all the same similar features as you would find as Microsoft Word. So here you have the paste, you have cut, you have bold, italics, initials, font color, font size, fonts that you want to use. So to get started, we are going to start with creating sections or tab within the OneNote for your topic. So I use the topic child advocacy. So to do that, I am going to double click on the tab and I am going to type something about child advocate as my first general page. Then maybe I want to add a page within there so then I can explain more about child advocate. So to add another page, I'm just going to go here to the right hand side and I'm going to click add page. And then you'll see that it will add more pages to it. Okay, so for instance, let's say I did have a welcome page for my child advocacy. So for the welcome page, maybe you would have a table of contents, maybe some pictures, maybe some authors, or just general information that you would add to your presentation or note taking to let people know what you're going to be talking about or to remind yourself of what you're going to be talking about. Say that you wanted to add another page within there. So what I did was I added a definition page and I titled it up here definition. Then as you can see, you can put the cursor anywhere and you can type whatever it is that you want to type. So as you can see here, I typed the definition, and then you can continue to type as much as you want. There is spell check in there as well. So as I said, it's just like any other Microsoft app. Next, say that in your next tab you wanted to do a career tab or whatever your second tab would be. Again, you would add your pages in there, add the information you want to add. But let's say this time you want to add a picture. So then you would just go up to the top to your toolbar. You would click insert. You would go to add picture. Go to wherever your pictures are located that you would like to add and add your picture. There you can add a caption or any information that you would like to add about that. And then there you go. And again, you can place it anywhere within your section or tab. It is endless. Say you wanted to add a document to your page. So then you would just go to File, Attach File, find a file that you would like to add. I'm going to do my content outline and put that in there. And then there you go, you have it. Say you wanted to add a link, you would just I went too fast there. You would go to the link, click link at the type in your link, click OK. And there you go, your link would be in there. If you have any other questions or need any other visible tutorials, YouTube is a good place to go to get more additional help on how to use OneNote. It is very user-friendly, and I would recommend it to anyone who needs to gather information and keep it in an organized spot and come back to it at any time.